Hello and welcome back to the chapter about blending. In this video I will show you different types of continuous blenders. In continuous blending, we first have to differentiate between true continuous blending and semi-continuous or mini-batch blending. Based on speed, truly continuous blenders can be divided in two groups: blenders with moderate speed and with high speed. Operation with moderate speed does not introduce high centrifugal forces. The material is held back in the blender by a weir. Another option is to tilt the blender. In the second type, the blender's speed creates so much centrifugal force on the particles that they are thrown to the blender wall. In these high shear blenders, a weir controls the degree of filling. It is placed here at the axis, and the material passes through the gap between the plate and the housing wall. Both types of blenders introduce shear with paddles. The paddle's shape, size and orientation significantly influence the blending process. There are many different variations on the market. Let's now discuss the blending time. The blending time in these continuous blenders depends on the residence time of the material in the blender. Like we have learned, the residence time is influenced by the throughput and the holdup in the blender. So it cannot be set independently. Usually residence times are in the several seconds range. These were the truly continuous blenders. Let's now look at the semi-continuous blender types. Currently, continuous micro-batch systems are receiving increasing interest in continuous manufacturing. This is because you can process even smaller amounts of material with even less product loss. Yet still this process is fully automated and production amounts can be increased without moving to a different equipment size. This is very valuable in the development phase. These systems have automated feeders and fully automated blenders, so they work based on the semi-continuous flow regime. In such a blender, similar to the batch system, the RTD is not a distribution, but the same for all materials from one mini-batch. The blending time depends on the time the material is actually in the blender. The mini-batch system can consist of one or multiple batch blenders. Remember the fluidized bed dryer. In terms of logistics, the operation is similar. The feeders are still gravimetric, but work in a dosing mode, which means they feed precisely the amount needed for one batch into the blender. Also, the ribbon blender that is installed into the wet granulation line you have seen works in semi-continuous operation. Each mini batch of granules is blended with the external phase. With that, I want to thank you for your attention and hope you have enjoyed this course. Check out our homepage if you are interested in our group or the center. We also have regular in-house events if you are interested in traveling to Graz. See you soon!